The SEG45 Travel Pack is a 45-liter backpack duffel that is built to provide organization and instant access to everything you pack. This weatherproof pack is equally equipped for long flights and rugged outdoor travel. Built using materials that meet Bluesign criteria, this bag also features tear-resistant high-wear panels reinforced with UHMWPE ripstop and YKK sealing zippers. From the outside, the segmented pockets function like packing cubes by separating items by day, type, or by size so that you can instantly find what you're looking for. The clamshell undercarriage is ideal for stowing large or dirty items like shoes and laundry, trading space with the segmented pockets as your needs change. When needed, the segmented pockets secure out of the way within the clamshell to use the bag as a standard 45-liter duffel. Convenient travel features such as an external access laptop pocket, zippered water bottle pocket, and a top access essentials pocket make this the perfect one-bag travel pack. For added security, all external zippers feature pull-through security loops. Simply thread the zipper pullers through the security loops to engage. The zipper pulls are also reflective, adding visibility to the wearer in low-light situations. Carry as a backpack with the built-in shoulder straps, adjustable sternum strap, and removable hip belt. Or for duffel mode, the backpack straps easily unclip by squeezing the detachable hardware and stow into the back panel. Attach the removable crossbody strap for duffel carry and have confidence in checking the SEG45. Grab handles on the top, bottom, back, and side make the bag easy to handle and tie down, even if all the carry straps are stowed. Built to go anywhere, the SEG45 is the ultimate backpack duffel for all varieties of travel.